Okay, I'm one hand doing this, but yeah, so we can't do the tour, but I did get an ice cream. I got the new flavor called Hello there, Culture Eater. It's time for another road trip. Just came back from Maine with my mom for a few days. I had 2 weeks off and I got an invitation from the lovely Natasha at Artist Explores the World to go stay at her place for a few days. If you just saw the last videos, we met up with Natasha for dinner in Portland. So I am in the car on my way to her place. So now we are about halfway and I am in the parking lot of the Ben and Jerry's ice cream factory. Can't wait to go and taste some. And yeah, just come along with me. We're going to New Hampshire, we're going to the beach, and we're gonna have a blast for the next few days. The most popular flavors.
I didn't see one. I'm trying to see if there's one here. I didn't see one.
It's an hour and a half wait till the next tour, and yeah, that's not gonna happen. But we can still get a cone, so we're gonna take a little break, have an ice cream, and head back on the road. I tried to film as much as I could by just sneaking in where I could inside the building, so sorry, but hope you enjoyed the little bits I can show. Gotta tell you a story. So just came back Friday with my mom from the US, and today's Monday, so like 3 days later, and packed, had the passport in my purse, drove all the way to the customs, had a 45-minute wait to get to my turn, and when the car before me got to the interrogation point and I was at the stop sign, I had the passport out, took it into my hands, opened it to put it to my picture, and what do I see? My mom's picture. Yeah, she had my passport, I have hers, and I'm at customs. By some miracle, I was asked a lot of questions, pulled over, told to go indoors, and they still let me through because I had a picture of my passport online and my driver's license. Anyways, I got into the US without an actual passport.
Alright, is that all?
Yep, that's all.
Alright, and would you like a spoon with that?
No, that'll be fine.
Okay. 6:30.
It's right there. Okay, I'm one hand doing this, but yeah, so we can't do the tour, but I did get an ice cream. I got the new flavor called Doughable Chocolate. So let's do a live tasting right here at the Ben and Jerry's factory in Vermont. That's pretty good. Very chocolatey, a bit of a peanut butter hint. Some chunks, I think, of peanuts or chunks of peanut butter in there. Very chocolatey, very good. This is the 2 scoop in the waffle cone, which is the smaller size, but in a waffle. So if you don't have time to wait for the tour, you should still stop by and have an ice cream cone.